In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mind map view in Monday.com. Mind mapping is a powerful tool for organizing thoughts, simplifying complex information, and enhancing creative problem solving. The first step to using the mind map view in Monday.com is to understand what a mind map actually is. Mind mapping involves creating a diagram that visually organizes information in a tree-like manner, helping you see the big picture and the details in one glance. The mind map in Monday.com is designed to help you lay out ideas effectively, allowing for a branching structure known as radiant thinking. This means you start with a central theme and radiate outwards with connected ideas. This approach is beneficial because it mimics how the human brain naturally processes information. As we dive into using mind map view, remember that simplicity is key. Effective mind maps often utilize keywords and short phrases instead of long sentences. This makes them easier to read and digest. Incorporate elements like colors, symbols, and images as you go. These can help differentiate and emphasize certain branches, making the map a richer and more engaging tool. Why is mind mapping so effective? Science suggests that by visually mapping our thoughts, we bolster comprehension and aid memory retention. In project management, mind maps simplify complex projects by converting myriad details into an easily navigable format. Notably, they improve team collaboration and communication, helping everyone see how each piece fits into the larger puzzle. If you're feeling overwhelmed by a big project or struggling to ignite creativity with your team, mind mapping could be your solution. It organizes thoughts and visualizes information, cutting through the clutter to clarify your project's path forward. Now let's walk through the process of creating a mind map with Monday.com. Start by defining your central theme or problem. This is the core of your map and what everything else will revolve around. Next, brainstorm and add your main branches. Think of these as key topics or big ideas connected to your central theme. Once you have your main branches, expand with sub-branches and keywords. These represent more detailed aspects or related concepts of each main branch. It's crucial to use vibrant colors and meaningful images to differentiate these branches and to make the map visually stimulating and intuitive. Finally, review your mind map, make refinements, and iterate as needed. Mind maps are dynamic tools, so feel free to adjust branches, add or remove content, and optimize your layout for clarity and focus. By applying these steps in the Monday.com mind map view, you can transform your workflow with visual organization. Utilize this technique for project planning, individual tasks, or team collaborations, and witness a boost in productivity and information retention. In the end, connecting ideas to actionable tasks and projects becomes more intuitive and impactful, making your entire work process smoother and more efficient. Remember, mastering mind mapping can transform complex projects into manageable pathways, all while enabling effective and inspiring teamwork.